Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. In this video we are going to learn 10-line essay on importance of trees. अगर आप चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो माय चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. Trees are very important for the environment. Without trees, we cannot imagine about life on the earth. It is wonderful creation of God. The trees provide us shade and coolness. Trees provide shelter to the birds. It bears fruits and beautiful flowers. The climate is influenced by the trees. It helps to make cool air. The rain is attracted by the air. We get essential oils from the trees.